In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendwave. We'll walk through creating your account, verifying your identity, and making your first transfer, all in a clear and simple way. Start by opening the Sendwave app. If you're new, tap Sign Up. Enter your full legal name so it matches your identification later, and type in your email address. Next, tap the flag icon to choose your phone's country code. You can search or scroll to find your country, then enter your mobile number. The app will ask where you're sending first. Pick the destination country you plan to send money to. Check the box to accept the terms, then tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code to confirm your number. Now create a secure PIN you'll use to access the app. Type it in, tap Create PIN, re-enter it, and confirm. You should see a message that your account has been created. On the dashboard, you're ready to start sending money. Tap Recipient, choose your payment method, and select Bank Transfer if you want the funds to go directly to a bank account. Enter your recipient's full name and mobile number, then retype the number to avoid typos. Tap Save, and then continue to send. Because this is your first transfer, you'll need to verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth, select the purpose of the account, and tap Finish. Tap Continue, choose your country, and select the type of document you'll use for verification. Tap Continue, then Continue again, and start to begin. Follow the on-screen guidance to capture a clear photo of your document. Make sure all details are readable and the edges are visible, then submit the photo. Next, start recording to verify your face. Tap Start and align your face as instructed. Good lighting and a steady hand help a lot here. When you're done, tap Continue to send. Add a payment method by choosing debit or credit card. Enter your card details carefully along with your billing address, zip code, city, and state. Then tap Continue. Choose which payment method you want to use for this transfer. Tap Continue to send, review the summary, and finally tap Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction. Before you confirm, double check the recipient's details and make sure your information matches your ID to prevent delays. Keep your PIN private and review any fees and exchange rates shown on screen. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Sendwave from sign up to sending.